Hi. This dance is called Omar Girlfriend, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on October 2024. There are 48 count, 2 walls, improver level line dance. There is 1 take in this dance, 4 count after wall 2. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, forward, left boot, hitch, flick back, step back, kick forward, and then step back, sit and look back, and then syncopated lock shuffle forward, 5 and 6 and 7, and then both on toes and back, or like knee pop up. Okay, and then weight on the left foot. Section 2, make a 3x4 square turn to left, side, close touch, and quarter turn to left, side, close touch, quarter turn to left, side, close touch, quarter turn to left, side. Section, and then continue with cross, recover, side, cross, recover, side. And then section 3, forward, quarter turn to left, recover on the left foot, and then cross shuffle, quarter turn to right, step back, quarter turn to right, side, and then cross shuffle. Section 4, side, recover, cross behind, side, cross over or forward, and then diagonally forward to left foot, step forward, recover with kick forward, and then behind, side, cross or forward. Okay, and then section 5, step forward, half turn to left, recover on the left foot, and then lock shuffle forward. Step left foot forward, half turn right, recover on the right foot, and then lock shuffle forward. And then section 6, feet step, out, out, in, and then half turn to left twice. Forward, half turn, recover on the left foot, forward, half turn to left foot, recover on the left foot. Okay, let me repeat each section with count, and I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is 1 take 4 count after wall 2, which is side and hip roll clockwise. Okay, side and then hip roll clockwise, 3 count. Okay, I'll do it with the count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight on the left foot. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Omar Girlfriend. I hope you like the music, enjoy the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!